the Father.
This is the existing inlet for water from our well to the house. The water comes in up this line. There's a check valve up here to prevent it from going back to the pump. It goes through all these loops of PEX pipe for some reason. I don't know why. Then it goes into a sediment filter, and then it goes back to the wall, down to this pressure tank down here, and it does some pressure stuff. Then it goes into the hot water heater, and it has another little pressure tank on top of there that's kind of jankily supported against the wall. I'm pretty sure we don't need that. So the plan for today is to remove that expansion tank, remove this sediment filter, plumb in the new sediment filter, and I think we're still going to put this sediment filter downstream of the big one. I have no idea what the spool of pipe is up against the wall, but it was there, so I think I'm going to leave it. We have to plumb the back flush valve into the washing machine drain. That should be pretty easy. And just a whole neatening up of this whole area. Now the downside is it's only 14 degrees outside, so yeah, water freezes. But luckily we do have a turn-off valve here in the house, so I think I can do everything inside. Let's get started. I think the first step, let's go in the garage and find our plumbing supply box, see what kind of fittings we have and what we don't have, and make a list to go to the store. So I have all these different bins that are marked with different stuff, but it looks like the one we need is this one here, because it says plumbing and PEX tools. And that's exactly what we need. Well, it looks like the only thing useful here is our 3/4 inch PEX clamp tool, which is pretty good. I do have a little bit of Teflon tape and some liquid thread sealer, but everything else in here looks like it was from the tiny house, so it's all 1/2 inch PEX. And the stuff we're gonna be working on today is all 3/4 PEX. So it looks like we're gonna be buying some fittings. Well, it is installed. The good news is it's 12:44. It's about time for an afternoon beer. So just for perspective, we're gonna have Mrs. P walk over there to see how tall it is. So it's about 5'3". It's going to be scary in the laundry room at night. Looks like Darth Vader standing in the corner.